Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn quadratic equations, exercise number 3, question number 4. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So question is very simple. So he was saying that the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So find out his present age. So let the present age of Rahman that is equal to x. Okay. What is the age of Rahman 3 years ago? Age of Rahman 3 years ago. So for example, a person is having 10 years now. 3 years ago his age was 7. So here also x minus 3. So age of Rahman after 5 years. Okay, that is x plus 5. So according to the question, he given that sum of reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years after is equal to 1/3. So the reciprocal of x minus 3 is nothing but 1 by x minus 3. The reciprocal of x plus 5 is nothing but 1 by x plus 5. So that is equal to 1 by 3. So just you see here two fractions are there. Add these two fractions. Step 1, multiply 1 with x plus 5. Step 2, multiply 1 with x minus 3. Step 3, multiply these two, x minus 3 and x plus 5. That is equal to 1/3. So now we see here 1 into x plus 5 will be same as it is x plus 5. So here also 1 into x minus 3 will be same as it is x minus 3. In the denominator, x into x is nothing but x square plus x into 5 is nothing but 5x minus 3 into x is nothing but minus 3x. Okay, minus 3 into 5 is nothing but minus 15. So here x plus x is nothing but 2x. 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2 by x square. 5x minus 3x is nothing but 2x minus 15. That is equal to 1 by 3. So now you see here, do cross multiplication. So that is 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 times of 2x plus 2. Cross you should multiply like this. These two you should multiply and these two you have to multiply. So now we will see the product. So 1 into x square is nothing but x square itself. 1 into 2x is 2x. 1 into minus 15 is minus 15. Right side 3 times 2 is nothing but 6. X is there, you keep that x. So 3 into 2x is nothing but 6x. 3 to the 6 here. Now we bring all to one side. x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6 times x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus 6 times x is nothing but 4x minus 15 minus 6 minus 21, that is equal to 0. Now we have to find the roots. So now I will use a quadratic formula method to find out the roots. Quadratic formula method is a very easy method to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. So here is the question. X square minus 4x minus 21. X square minus 4 times x minus 21 is equal to 0. So it is in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a value is nothing but 1, b value is nothing but minus 4, c value is nothing minus 21. So what is the formula? Quadratic formula is nothing but x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula we have. So now substitute all the values here. Minus b minus of minus 4 plus or minus under root b square minus 4 square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into c is nothing but minus 21 here. Substitute all the values by 2a, 2 into 1. So just you see here, x is equal to minus into minus will be plus 4 plus or minus under root minus 4 square is nothing but 16 minus 4 into minus 4 2 times, it is nothing but plus 4. Minus into minus will be plus 4 into 4 is 16. So just you see here, minus into minus is plus 21 into 4. How much? 21 into 4. 84. Add these two. So 100 I am getting. This is denominator is 2. X is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 100 by 2. So just you see 4 plus or minus square root of 100 is nothing but 10 square by 2. Square and root gets cancelled. Okay, so what I will get it finally here, 4 plus or minus 10 by 2. So one time you take x is equal to 4 plus 10 by 2. One time you take x is equal to 4 minus 10 by 2. 4 plus 10 is nothing but 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Therefore x value is 7 here. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. 2 one time, 2 3 times. X value is minus 3. Therefore the two roots are 7 and minus 3. So the two roots of the equation are nothing but 7 and minus 3. But in the question he was asking, find the present age of Rahman. So age, it should not be negative. So just you take positive value, that is nothing but x is equal to 7. Therefore the age of Rahman is nothing but 7 years. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.